So we are discussing about arithmetic operators in programming. We will discuss these arithmetic operators in algebra and as well as in C++. So these are the basic arithmetic operators that are used in algebra as well as in C or C++ languages, and here you can see the signs that are used in algebra. Let we compare how we use different signs in the C++ language. For addition, we use plus sign that is similar to the sign of algebra. For subtraction, we use the same sign, that is minus, and for multiplication, we use this one in algebra, and in C++ language we use asterisk. This is like star sign. You can pronounce it as asterisk or asterisk, and anyone you like. The next operator is division. We use the sign division for dealing in algebra, and when we discuss about the programming languages like C++, we use this slash sign for division operator. And in the last, this is an other important operator that is known as modulus. Its other name is remainder operator. Why we call it remainder operator? Actually, this helps to find out the remainder after the division process, and its symbol that we use in C++ is percentage sign. All these operators are binary operators. It means they require two operand. Let we take an example of addition. It will like a plus b, so two operand will be required for their operation. If we are dealing with subtraction, it will be like a minus b. For multiplication, a asterisk b. For division, a division b. And when we are going to find the modulus or remainder, then it will be like a modulus b. So these operations require two operands. If we have multiple operators in a single line, then what will be their precedence? Precedence means which operator is needed to solve on urgent basis, or which operator will be solved first. So there is a rule that is used in algebra that is known as PBDMAS. This PBDMAS stands for power bracket division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Let we write it. Power bracket division, multiplication or multiply, addition, and the last one subtraction. This rule is used in algebra, but when we are working with the operators in programming languages, then we have to use this PBDMAS rule, but we have to use brackets in order to uh, make the precedences of the operators. Why we need to use brackets? Because all these arithmetic operators have same precedence. So if they have the same precedence, the compiler will not know which one will be operated first. Let we see the example like A asterisk B division 2. If we have an example of this one, so multiplication and division have the same precedence. In such situations, we have to put brackets around the operations according to this PB-Demas rule. We will write this as here is another one, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we will write this part as a asterisk x asterisk x plus b asterisk x plus c.